What's up, guys? It's your girl Simply Queen, and today we are going to learn how to make a music tone for your iPhone completely free. Before we get started, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells for future content. Alright, let's jump right in. You will need YouTube, and you will need to download the apps GarageBand and Documents, and they look like this. Once you have that downloaded, you want to go to YouTube and type in the browser the song that you are looking for. For the purpose of this video, we will be using non-copyrighted music, and we're going to go with this first one at the top. There are 3 dots beside the title of the song. You want to click that and hit share. Then you want to copy the link. Alright guys, we are done with YouTube. Next you want to go into Documents. And your screen should look something. Alright, sorry about that. Your screen should look something like this. You want to click the blue compass on the bottom right hand corner. And you want to type in the browser ytmp3.cc. This screen will pop up. Then you want to paste the link that you just copied into the box and hit convert. And your song will pop up as so. Hit download and done. Now you want to click the purple folder on your bottom left hand corner, and this screen should pop up. You want to go into your downloads, and as you can see, everything is timestamped and dated. Your most recent download will be at the top. So you want to click the 3 dots beside the title of the song and hit share. You then want to save to files. This is the screen that will pop up. You want to go on my iPhone, GarageBand iOS, GarageBand file transfer, and hit save. We're just going to replace it because I was in the middle of doing one. And we're done with that. Next you want to go into GarageBand, and as you can see, I've been busy. Once the app pulls up, it'll look something like this. You want to scroll over into audio recorder and click it. This screen will pop up. You don't want to touch anything in the middle of the screen. The only thing you want to do right now is click that blue triangle TikTok looking thing so that it doesn't have that annoying TikTok noise in your background. Then you want to click on the brick pattern at the top left hand corner, and it'll look like this. Now you want to click the loop on your right hand top corner. Sometimes it'll have a number up there and it'll be highlighted in blue. You want to click that. You want to go into files, and then your songs are listed here. You want to hold and drag, and then it'll come looking like this. At that point you can push play and you hear the song play out, and you can choose where you want to adjust it at. So we're just going to adjust to where we see the sound waves, as so. Let's do it a little bit more. I'm going to drag drag it out. And then you can push play. Hear it rock out. So you want to stop that, and then you want to click this triangle at the top left hand corner, and you want to hit my song, and it'll come up like this. While that's doing this thing, you want to push it and hold it and rename. And I'm gonna just call this one Turn Up. Don't judge me. And hit done. And while it's still doing this thing, you want to do it again. Click it and hold it, and this will pop up. You want to hit share, and then you have these 3 options come up. We're gonna go with the ringtone, and your name of your song will be right there for the name of the ringtone. And you want to hit export, and it'll do this. Alright, then this will pop up, use sound as. You can use it as a standard ringtone, standard text tone, or you can assign it to a contact. So we're gonna do standard ringtone. And that's it for GarageBand. So you want to go into your settings, your sounds. And if you look at ringtone, it's set. And it's all complete. Alright guys, this concludes the video. If you enjoyed it, again, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also click that notification bell for upcoming content. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.